Welcome to Explore Niagara. Today I'm going to answer your question, how many waterfalls are at Niagara Falls? A lot of people think it's just one, but there's really three. So I'm going to take you real quick to see all three and tell you where you need to go. Okay, so I am here at Niagara Falls State Park, heading down to the biggest waterfall of the three. This is Horseshoe Falls, technically owned by Canada, and it has this beautiful horseshoe shape, which is of course where the name comes from. So we're gonna head down, I'm gonna show you this one, and then we're gonna go to the other two waterfalls. Even if you're not doing any attractions while you're here, be prepared to get lots of mist on your face because you can't not get wet when you're in Niagara Falls next to such a powerful waterfall. We're gonna leave Terrapin Point now that we've seen the first falls, which is the Horseshoe Falls, and we're gonna head up to Luna Island, so come along with. So now we are here at Luna Island. This is going to be your next stop. It gives you a great viewpoint of the American Falls, and we're right next to one of the biggest Nikola Tesla statues in the world. I'm going to take you down the stairs too so we can get even closer and walk over Bridal Veil Falls. It's the smallest of the three and a lot of people forget about it, but we're going to go check it out now. Here we are at Bridal Veil Falls. This bridge that we're walking over now takes you directly over it. So it is the smallest of the three waterfalls. That's why a lot of people, like I mentioned, tend to forget about it. But also when you do Cave of the Winds, which we have a video about right here, you can go and touch Bridal Veil Falls, which is a really cool experience. And now we're gonna go see the American Falls, so come along with us. Now that I've shown you the three waterfalls that make up Niagara Falls, I have one final pro tip for you. I'm going to show you this lesser known little nook that has a baby falls that leads up to the Bridal Veil Falls. So definitely a spot you want to check out. Be sure you subscribe to Explore Niagara to answer all of your Niagara Falls USA questions and more.